Okay, this is the first test with sound. I'm going to do another one of those random.org dice rolls. Here we go. This is the old one. Time to do a new one. We'll say Yankees, Astros. We'll say Cardinals. And we'll say Colorado. Or Rockies. Well, I might as well put the nickname down. Okay, there we go. Alright, randomize. Okay, here we go. Now, dice roll. It's 8 times. Go back to here. Now this is the first time it was randomized. Okay, here's the randomization number 1. This is the second one. This is the third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. I think the Cardinals were the only one I didn't see go on there. Alright, 7 times. I need 8. Here we go. And the Cardinals. Cardinals win it.